Why? Why do I not dye my hair? I just feel that I earned every white hair I have. I earned every single wrinkle I have. It's my story. I don't want to cover up my story. I earned it. It's my canvas. I feel that if I cover up my wrinkles, cover up my hair, people won't see my story. It's your choice. If you want to cover up your hair and dye it, that's your story. That's going to make you feel good. Go for it. I feel good showing my white hair. It's all up to you. It's your choice. Enjoy your day. Love you.